change lang. Klang is here. We are waiting for Brecca and Shuvi. So, magbabanggit kami ng mga statements. Tapos, housemates, kailangan nyo lang erase ang yes kung agree kayo or co-love it. At no kung hindi kayo agree. Okay, are you ready, housemates? Go ahead. Sean?
Okay, first question. Didiretsuhin ko ito. Magsistay ulit ba kayo ng matagal sa bahay ni Kuya given a chance? Yes or no? Yes. Okay.
Gusto niyo ba yun? Silang lahat ulit sa loob ng bahay? Ay, teka. Si Mom. Okay. Diba? Akala ko no eh.
Okay, kahit walang budget ng pagkain ha, yes kayong lahat ha. Okay, get.
Okay, next. Palitan ang final duo partner nyo. Dun dun. Aww. Love. Ay!
Ito naman. Ulamin ang munggo ni Clarice araw-araw.
Araw-araw ha?
Oh. No? Pati atik lang, no.
She evicted herself.
Siya kasi magluluto eh, kaya no.
Okay, eto last. May nakikinig na mga boses ha. Gusto namin malaman. From collab fancon to collab movie or series.
Oh, yes! Gusto niyo ba yun?
I think it's a yes.
It's a yes.
Kahit ako gusto ko mapapanood sila eh.
Yes, and with that, once again, aabangan natin sa takdang panahon kung magaganap yan. Let us give it up for our PBB Collab X Housemates! Kahit sobrang busy ng mga schedule nila, nagawa nila ng paraan to rehearse for tonight. Kaya guys, mula sa aming lahat na nandito ngayon, we are very, very proud of you. At syempre, di ba guys, susuportahan natin sila palagi. Always.
Yes, at syempre, hindi matutuloy ang successful fan ko na ito kung hindi dahil sa supporters ninyo na tumutok sa atin online at pumuno dito sa Big Dome. Grabe, sold out. Hindi mahulugan ng karayom. Tama, di ba? Hindi mahulugan karayom ang The Big Dome. Sending love also to our team bahay, watching via I1. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Yes, syempre gusto nating magpasalamat sa ating very, very supportive bosses. They are here tonight. Tita Cory Vidanes, Direk Lauren Jogi, Miss Joy Marcelo, and Attorney Annette Gozon Valdez. Maraming salamat po. And to the whole Sparkle GMA Artist Center and Star Magic Management.
That's right. Maraming salamat din sa ating guest tonight, Michelle Marquez D, Bini Joanna, and Bini Stacy, and of course, Miss Ivana Alawi. And to our dancers tonight, besties, choreographers, Coach Reden, Darlo Lloyd, Matrix, and Rolly, headed by Coach Miggy Pers. Maraming salamat.
At syempre, sa ating arrangers, the people behind our tracks tonight, we have DJ Kimo Sabe, DJ Glenn, Chuck Clauson, Jev Florendo, Sir Rick Mercado, and Sir Ray Cantong. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, to our dear sponsors, I could not forget this. At syempre, ang team sa likod ng tagumpay na ito, the production team staff, and Salve de Guzman, our EP, and of course, our director, Direk J. Clio. Sobrang daming bumubuo ng show na ito, ABS-CBN Events, headed by Ms. Doris Shaq. Salamat! Our head of ABS-CBN Music and Integrated Events, Sir Roxy Liquigan, we love you! Maraming salamat to our production team head, our business unit head, Sir Riley Santiago, our creative head, Makoy Infante, our writers, Audrey Deliso, John Ribo, and Patch Bumubog. Maraming salamat. Syempre sa buong technical team, everyone who made this historical night possible, maraming salamat po. Muli, isang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa inyo lahat na sumubaybay at naging bahagi ng tagumpay mula sa umpisa. Talagang, co-love namin kayo! Mga kapuso at kapamilya, hanggang sa susunod nating pagsasanib puwersa, we give you, once again, our PBB Collab X Housemates together with Asia's pop heartthrob, Darren!
Let's go!
Maraming salamat po! Sana ay nag-enjoy po kayong lahat! River! Diyos ko po.
Ethan, Brett, ito, may Q&A segment tayo mamaya. Pero before that, let's call in one more duo! Shukla!
Brent, buti na lang nasa lumo ha.
Uy!
Nasa lumo ka ha. Galing mo sumalo ha.
Okay, we'll take this chance. Breka, batiin nyo naman ang napakaraming fans nyo dito sa Araneta.